Natto's story begins in the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, when Japanese farmers accidentally discovered fermentation. Wrapping boiled soybeans in rice straw, they noticed a sticky, pungent transformation. This was caused by Bacillus subtilis bacteria, naturally present in straw. Historical records suggest natto was initially a survival food during harsh winters, prized for its high protein and long shelf life. The earliest written mention appears in 11th century text, showing how this peasant food would eventually become a national icon. The magic behind natto lies in Bacillus subtilis, a bacterium that thrives at 40 degrees. When these microbes digest soybeans, they produce polyglutamic acid, creating natto's signature slimy texture and sticky strings. Edo period farmers unknowingly perfected this process by using rice straw, which naturally harbors the bacteria. Modern studies show natto fermentation increases vitamin K2 by 100-fold compared to raw soybeans, explaining its nutritional value that sustained generations of Japanese people. During the Edo period, natto became essential for traveling samurai. Its lightweight, non-perishable nature made ideal battlefield provisions. Historical accounts describe warriors carrying natto in bamboo tubes or dried form. A single serving provided 18 grams of protein, crucial for maintaining strength. The Tokugawa shogunate even included natto in official military provisions after recognizing its value. This martial association helped elevate natto from peasant food to a respected staple in Japanese society. By the mid-Edo period, natto vendors became common in urban centers like Edo, Tokyo. Census records show over 300 natto sellers in the city by 1850. Vendors developed distinctive calls, natto makinda, while carrying bamboo baskets of straw-wrapped portions. The food's affordability, 1 mon per serving, about 20 cents today, made it popular among merchants and laborers. This commercialization marked natto's transition from preservation method to cultural commodity, with regional variations emerging across Japan. Natto's strong aroma and slimy texture divided Edo society. Period diaries describe newcomers reacting with horror, while locals relished it. The food became a cultural marker. Those who ate it were true Edoites. This dichotomy persists today, with 70% of Japanese eating natto weekly in the East, but only 30% in Western regions. Psychological studies suggest repeated exposure from childhood creates acceptance, explaining why 90% of Japanese children in natto-consuming regions eat it regularly by age 10. The Meiji Restoration, 1868, industrialized natto production. Scientists isolated Bacillus subtilis in 1905, enabling factory fermentation without straw. By 1920, Tokyo had 136 natto factories producing standardized products. This modernization increased shelf life from 3 days to 2 weeks, enabling nationwide distribution. However, traditional straw-wrapped natto, waributa, persisted in rural areas until the 1960s, showing how Japan balanced progress with culinary heritage during rapid westernization. Today, Japan consumes over 7 billion natto portions annually. The food embodies washoku, traditional cuisine, recognized by UNESCO in 2013. Modern research confirms Edo period wisdom. Natto's nattokinase enzyme supports heart health, and its K2 strengthens bones. From samurai provisions to convenience store breakfasts, natto's journey mirrors Japan's ability to preserve tradition while embracing change. As new fermented foods emerge globally, natto remains a testament to microbial alchemy discovered in rural farmhouses centuries ago.